Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I have a very fun Stamps of Life August HSN card showcase. So I'm going to be showing you all the new products that Stephanie Bernard has designed, and they are sold exclusively on the HSN channel. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at everything. So they all come in these envelopes sealed with the Stamps of Life label. So I'm going to go ahead and unpack these and we will start looking at these one by one. So this first one I have here, this one is called the Skeleton Squad Stamp and Die Set. And I'm going to go ahead and unpackage this stamp so that the die, so you don't have the reflection here. Look at these cute little skeletons. These are cute. They're like dancing skeletons. And then I'm going to go ahead and unpackage the stamp. Now for the rest of these, I'll already have them unpackaged, but I just kind of wanted to show you the packaging. So the stamp here says, "Ghouls just want to have fun, bone chilling and bootyful. Just here for the booze and bones, bone to be spooky and bone to be wild." There's Boo, a small Boo, and a big Boo, and then the three skeletons. And then we have the dies that cut them out, and these are so cute. We have the idea card, and you can always scan the little UPC here, that label, and that will take you right to the gallery to see many more ideas from the design team and any others. So that is a look at this set. Now I'm going to show you the samples that I made. But I want to first show you my packaging. So when I receive these, I like to use these extra large Avery, I believe they're Avery envelopes, and I place them all in the package and they fit perfectly. I will leave these linked down below in the description box in case you're interested. So here's the samples that I made, and aren't these adorable? So that one I've got, and then I've got this one here, just here for the booze and bones. And I use that cute little Happy Halloween. I think that's on the circles for HSN stamp set. And then I've got like Skeleton Brew, get it? And then, so I think that one's kind of cute too. And then I've got one more, I think here. I've got this one and I added a little, what do you call that? I think it's called cheesecloth behind that skeleton. And then I've got it on the candy corn folded here too. So those are the samples I made with that one. This next one here, this one is called Turkey Time Bundle. And you receive this idea card with several ideas. And you get this cute stamp with these little, it has like a little sign, Happy Thanksgiving, you already wobble. Eat steak, give thanks, gobble till you wobble, and let's talk turkey. And then you get the dies that cut that out. And then you also get this, you get a couple stencils. So you have the stencils to make like a scene here. I'm just trying to get a background for you to see these. You can color in the turkey and you can create some grass at the bottom. So that's really cute. And then I like this one. This stencil lets you color in all the feathers. So if you don't like to color your stamps, you can just ink them up with these stencils. So that makes it super easy. All right, so let's get into the samples that go with this. Now with this one, I'm also going to place everything in my envelope here. I was just checking to see the size. So I will get this packaged away. And you'll notice everything fits in here. The stamp, the idea card, the die, the stencils. And so this is just how I personally store them on my shelf. So there we go. That's a look at that one. Now let's look at my samples. So we've got 3 little turkeys on there and a mini slimline saying eat steak. We've got this one saying Happy Thanksgiving. A little bit of glitter paper back there. And here we go. We have another one. I believe I colored this one in with the stencils, if I can remember correctly. And then I like this one, Gobble Till You Wobble. Super cute. And then this next one, I think this one's my favorite. And I love the colors on this one. So that's another idea for you. So that one was lots of fun to make. Now, as we're going along in the video, you'll have to leave me a comment and let me know which set is your favorite. This next one is the Turkey and Scarecrow Folded Card Die Set, and you get a package of paper. So this is the 6x6 pattern paper. And let's take a look. I'll just flip through here so you can kind of see the patterns. These are perfect for making all your fall cards. Super pretty. And they are double-sided and they're really thick. So I just wanted to show that as well. All right, so that's the paper. And so let me show you the other items. So we have a turkey folded and a scarecrow. So these can make shape cards, or you can put them on on an A2 card. You can put them on a 5x7. You can make banners, all kinds of things with these. So they're really versatile. So here's this cards that I made, Gobble Till You Wobble, and I put this on a 5x7 card. And then this one I placed on an A2 card. And again, I used that circles for HSN. I think that's the name of it. And so that's super cute. And then here's the scarecrow, and I use the papers. Those are those new pattern papers on all three of these. So really cute. And then the next set I have here, this is called the Pumpkin Flip It Card and Stencil Set. So this is fun. It is a flip it card with little pumpkins along the edges, and then the center is also shaped like a pumpkin. And if you've never made a flip it card, there are directions on the idea card. And look at all the dies that you receive. And the word die there says, "Hey Pumpkin." You get the outside, the card base, the layering pieces, some little faces for the pumpkin. And then you get this stencil, which is really fun because you can make all kinds of pumpkins with cute little faces on them. And so I'm gonna put this one away into my large envelope. So there's my flip it. I've got my stencil, and I'll put my idea card in here so it is ready to go. So let's take a look at the samples. I've got a flip it here, pumpkin spice, oh so nice. And then with this one, I used the stencil and created my own background paper. So that one was a lot of fun, and I love the way this one turned out with that stamping on there. And I just used some various stampings to get those little filler stamps. Now this next set is called the Typewriter Die Set, and I flipped out when I saw this. I am so excited about this one, and wait till you see it. You get so many. So you get the uppercase, or you get the shadow and the inside die in this font. And then, so there's every single alphabet letter. And then you also get the shadow die and the inside die on this font as well. So there's an uppercase and a lowercase set, full set. And you get a sheet of the adhesive sheets. So look at all these dies. That is a ton. And I'm really excited because we can make anything with these. I like the samples here. Those are really cute. But you could use this for anything. And I know these are going to come in handy not only on my cards, but for scrapbooking as well. So here's a couple samples, so proud, and then the exclamation marks also included, and then the hugs there with the outline, so you can see that. All right, then this next one is called the Treat Topper Die Set, and this is fun because you can make toppers for little treat bags. And so let me show you everything that's included. So you get the die that makes this. So you get the die and you get some words to go inside. So you get treats for you, happy birthday. And then you get these here, like the confetti and I guess like little sprinkles. And you get lots of it. And then you get the treat bags, so that's fun. Those are included in the set as well as a pack of adhesive sheets. So I made a couple samples with this one. I've got a little happy birthday here. And so you can slip a gift card inside. If you don't want to put candy or treats inside, you could always place a gift card in there. And then I've got this one that says happy fall. And I could see putting some little candies or even a cookie in there. I think that would be really cute. So that is everything that is featured for the Stamps of Life for August on HSN. I will leave a link listed down below in the description box that will take you over to the HSN website. Again, don't forget to leave me that comment and let me know which is your favorite set. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!